Hello friends, here I am to share how to make oats flour easily and which oats to use. If you notice, oats flour blends nicely with all recipes compared to oats as whole grains. It's hard to know the difference, so this way you can easily include oats in diet for family with picky eaters. I use it in many varieties like idli, dosa, appe, roti, cakes, muffins, waffles, etc. You can store in airtight container for 6 plus months. It's super handy to have oats flour ready in pantry. As you know, oats is healthiest gluten-free grain, reduces blood sugar cholesterol, helps for weight loss, improves digestive health. So it's important to include oats in diet. To begin, usually oats are available in three varieties: steel cut, rolled, and quick oats. Each has similar nutritional benefits. Steel cut oats are least processed oats, needs extra time to cook, cannot be used instantly. So these are not a good choice for making flour. Thus you can use either rolled or quick oats for flour. Rolled oats are less processed than quick oats, so will be little high in fiber and protein. Quick oats will be thinner comparatively. I'm going to show oats flour in two ways, with and without dry roasting. You can use flour from both ways in all recipes. Notice that 2 cups of oats yields to 1 and 3/4 cup of flour. Let's get started. First way is to grind oats directly. Add 2 cups of quick oats in mixie jar and start grinding. Quick oats gets grinded easily being thinner. To grind even more faster, switch between pulse and speed modes until powdered well. It won't be much fine texture. If you want very fine flour, you can sift it and grind the coarse part again. Repeat the same with rolled oats. This oat flour will be little coarse due to less processing. If you notice, there is no big difference between two flours texture and taste wise. Second way is with dry roasting the oats in pan or air fryer. You can use this flour for baking breads, cakes, muffins, etc., where dough needs to rise and aerate well. You can also use this flour in all other recipes like idli, dosa, waffles, etc. By dry roasting on low flame or low temperatures enhances the oats flavor, makes it easy to grind by crisping, and increases the shelf life. Another reason you can try roasting is when your oats are not new stock, like little old. For pan fry, add a cup of oats in pan. Dry roast on low flame for 5 to 6 minutes or until lightly browned. Most important, make sure oats are not burnt at all. Otherwise gives burnt flavor in dishes. Quick oats tend to burn quickly, so keep mixing evenly on low flame. So if you don't have time to monitor and keep mixing oats, go for air fry. For air fry, add a cup of rolled oats in deep bowl, so that oats being lightweight won't fly due to air fryer pan. Insert tray in bottom row of the air fryer to make sure it's not too close to fan on top. Air fry at 350 Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. Takes around 7 minutes in total, with 3 minutes of preheating and 4 minutes of timer. Mix halfway. With air frying, you don't have to monitor continuously. As you see, oats got lightly browned evenly. For quick oats, being thinner needs less temperature. So air fry at 330 Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. Mix halfway. As you see, quick oats got evenly roasted. Let it cool down. Grind in mixie jar to desired consistency. Enjoy making amazing recipes with oats flour. Hope you like my tips and recipes. Stay tuned for many more awesome, healthy and tasty recipes with oats flour and other superfoods. See you again. Thanks for watching.